everyone, welcome back to Dynokids. I hope all of you are safe and healthy. So today's video would be on visual discrimination. Today onwards there would be two versions of each video. One is Hindi and the another one is English. So अगर आप यही वीडियो हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो उसका लिंक मैंने नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया है. You just go there और उस पर क्लिक कीजिए और पूरी वीडियो आप हिंदी में देख पाएंगे. For this time let's continue this in English. And before that, please consider subscribing our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get all the regular updates. So here, as you could see, I have prepared some task cards for this activity. So I'll place them here and we'll take one out of it. So here, as you could see, there are two slant lines but of different colors. So the child would choose the colors out of these ice cream sticks. The first one is of pink color, so the child would take it and position in slant position. The another one is orange, so the child would place it like this. Now along with this you need some direction cards as well. So here, as you could see, I have prepared these direction cards using a cardboard. So the child would align them as per given in the task card. So the first one goes to the downward direction, then the next one towards the left, the third one is towards the right. So the child would align the this direction card in the right position, and the last one goes towards the downward direction like this. So the child would complete this activity like this. Now if I take another card, so the child would see now the colors of the ice cream sticks are changed. So the child would use the ice cream sticks of different colors. So as per given in the task card, the first one is of green color and the another one is of purple color. So he will align in slant position like this. Now the another focus would be on the direction. So that would goes to the right. The another one goes towards the downwards. The third one goes towards the left position and the last one goes towards the upward position like this. So the child would complete this activity like this. This is a fantabulous activity to teach directions to your child. When I had given this activity to Amish, he did pretty well. So now let's see how he's doing this one.